Today we have this diagram before us, a very beautiful diagram, and it said find the area of the shaded portion, which is the two sides we have here. Now if you look at the diagram very well, you notice that we have a triangle inside, which is what I'm trying to outline for you. This is the triangle, and the far side here is the rectangle. So what we need to do first is to say how we can get the value of the area of this triangle. Then later on we'll go back to see how we can get the area of this rectangle. That is the outer part, the first side, which is the rectangle, the three sides which I just showed you are the triangle, and then we now have to mesh everything together to see how best we can get the shaded portion. So first and foremost, the solution to get the area of a rectangle, which is the first thing we want to do it. So the area of a rectangle, we use A to identify area, and we say that the area of a length of a rectangle is length times breadth. And where is the length here? The length is what we have here, and this is the breadth. So if the length is 5 cm and the breadth is 6 cm, so what it then means is that A is equals to the length, which is 5 cm, times B, which is the breadth, 6 cm. And if you multiply 5 by 6, this will give you 30 cm square. So first we've gotten the area of the rectangle. So the next thing we need to do here is to look for the area of the triangle. And the formula for the area of a triangle, is half base times height. That is the formula. So we simply we can rewrite this to say A is equals to 1 over 2 B times H, which is half base times height. And to get this, we can now say that A is equals to 1 over 2 times the base again, 6, the height, 5, times 5. So if we do this, 2 into this is 1 and 2 into this is 3. So that means that we have a 3 times 5. Don't forget, everything here is a cm. So cm times cm will give you cm squared. So if we multiply this together, it will give us A is equals to 15 cm squared, which means that the area of the shaded portion, which is what you have here, is 50 cm. But to get one side, to know one side here, which means that because you have two sides and your answer is 15, we can say that to get the value of one side, we can now say that this is 15 over 2, which is almost give us 7.5. So which means that one side is 7.5, this side is 7.5. So that still brings us back to our 15. I hope you've learned something today. Please like and share our video. We'll see you in our next class. Thank you.